Wall Street is looking at a lower open on Tuesday. All eyes are on economic data as markets trickle back from the holiday weekend. Now, U.S. data showed that Americans boosted spending in April at the fastest pace since the end of 2016. In April, consumer spending rose 0.4% to mark the biggest gain since December. Now, incomes also rose by 0.4% last month. Meanwhile, the PCE index rose 0.2%. U.S. markets were closed on May 29 to celebrate Memorial Day, and at the end of last week, U.S. indices closed mixed. Shares in the auto and components, media, and food and staples retailing traded higher. Meanwhile, shares in the real estate, pharma, biotech, and life sciences, as well as banking sectors, were under pressure. And at the end of last week, U.S. GDP was released, and this was the second reading, which showed an increase in Q1 by 1.2% quarter over quarter. On Friday, 50% of S&P 500 constituents traded higher. Now, in after-hours trade, Berkshire Hathaway was in the spotlight. The company acquired a 3% stake in German chemical maker Lanxess. Now, Lanxess disclosed this on Monday, and the company says Berkshire Hathaway's general reinsurance subsidiary took a stake that reached just over 3% on May 19th. In overseas markets, Asian markets are consolidating. The Nikkei flat, the Hang Seng closed, and South Korea's Kospi off nearly 0.4%. European indices are trading lower on Tuesday. Here in the U.S., for the S&P 500, the bullish buys does stand above 2408. Trading central analysts prefer long positions above that level, with targets at 2420 and 2425 in extension. As for the Nasdaq on an intraday basis, the bullish bias stands above 5773, while for the Dow Industrials, the bullish bias stands above 21,020.